Hello everybody and welcome to our lesson. Today we will learn about the words enough and not enough. Suficiente o no suficiente. So we're going to check on some examples to help you understand. Enough. It's when I have sufficient amount or something or the correct amount. For example, I have enough money to buy 2 cakes. But I don't have enough money to buy 3 cakes. Sarah wants more coffee. She doesn't have enough. Mark has enough coffee. He is fine. I don't have cake. Is there enough for me? Sorry, there's not enough. So when we say not enough, it's because there is less than necessary, less than sufficient, or not the correct amount of something. Here I have some other examples to help you understand. I am 13 years old. Can I start the university? No, sorry, you are not old enough. I have 3 dogs at home. It's more than enough. I don't want more dogs. I drank 4 glasses of water. That's enough, thanks. I wish I could do more to help. Don't worry, you did enough. I have $50. Can I buy a cell phone? No, sorry, it's not enough money to buy a new cell phone. Here I have a brief explanation. We're going to use adjective plus enough. Example, she is old enough to drive. She is old enough. Or enough plus noun. I have enough money. I have enough. For example, I have enough dogs. I don't want more dogs because I have enough. So, here is your turn to check this exercise and complete it. I'm going to help you with some examples. Use the words provided and fill in the blanks below. I don't have enough money to go shopping. No tengo suficiente dinero para ir de compras. Enough money, enough plus noun. Are you old enough to get a driver's license? Old, adjective plus enough. Old enough. So, pay attention to these rules and complete this exercise in the platform. Wish you a very good luck. That's all for today. Bye-bye.